This is Teacher Marisa, or you can call me Teacher Mar. So today, I will present to you my DIY instructional material made for grade 1 mathematics. So this is made transparent, so these are all recycled material. So this material is made transparent for us to see what is happening there above and below. So above is the numbers on the cards from numbered from 1 to 10, and below is it serves as funnel and a place for these marbles to be put. So for example, if we have number, so we will click number 2. So above is number 2. So we will insert how many marbles? So 2. So if we have another number, for example, number 5. Since we already have 2 marbles below, how many marbles should be added for the marbles to be 5? So we will add 2. So there are 3 marbles to be added for it to be 5. So how about we will number it to number 8. How many marbles should be added below for it to be 8 marbles? So we will add 1, 2, and 3. So there should be 3 added marbles for it to be 8 marbles. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So very good. And on the bottom part is this color black. So it is to stop the marbles from falling. So to restart the game or to restart the session, so we will move it to get the marbles out. And to be placed here. So here are all the marbles. So later, after this video, I will show to you how this instructional material is made. So thank you for watching.